Namaste friends. In today's video, we will show you how you can download Windows 7 for your PC. Windows 7 is an excellent operating system for your PC, which was officially released back in 2009. It is the successor to Windows Vista and is still widely used by many users today. Let's see how you can download it. Step 1. Go to the official Windows website. You can download the Windows 7 operating system from the official Windows website. Go to Google and search for official Windows website and click on the first link. Step 2. Visit the Windows 7 download page. On the official Windows website, you need to navigate to the Windows 7 download page. Choose your language and click on the download button. Step 3. Download the Windows 7 ISO file. Now, you need to choose the ISO file that suits your PC. You will have options for 32-bit and 64-bit versions of Windows 7. If your PC has less than 4 GB of RAM, choose the 32-bit version. If it has 4 GB or more, choose the 64-bit version. Step 4. Complete the download process. You will now need to complete the download process. You can use an ISO file downloader to download the file and later boot it into a DVD or USB flash drive. Outro. So, this was a simple way to download Windows 7. We hope this video helps you in successfully installing Windows 7 on your PC. Thank you, friends. If you like this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more such videos, so that you can easily watch our every new video. See you in the next video.